Hi everyone.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another figure opening. This time around I have Blizzard Cute But Deadly Series 2. How long has it been since I opened the Series 1 box? Was it like maybe 4 years ago? And I got the privilege to open 2 of them because... let me think. I got one in a loot crate. Like a very late year loot crate, like in November or December. And I think I got another loot crate of the same one, and I decided to open the box that came with it as itself. So, anyways, in Series 2, you can get one of the following figures. Let's get a little bit closer. There's Bastion, Illidan, Tyrande, Raynor, Barbarian, Soldier 76, Nova, Treasure Goblin, Pharah, Anubis Pharah, Tracer, and Posh Tracer. I think the Posh Tracer one is Hot Topic exclusive as shown underneath it, but then again, that Hot Topic exclusive stamp could be just for just to fit down there for the entirety of the box. I'm not too sure. Illidan would probably be nice to get since he's from World of Warcraft, but one of the Tracers would be nice too. And please don't bash on me on this, but I have not played Overwatch yet. I probably will someday if I get around to it. Anyways, enough of me talking. I wonder what I'll get. And it's going to be a pretty big figure, just like the Series 1 boxes. Because, look at it, it's a big box, apparently. Alright, any pull tabs anywhere, like a little notch? Yes, right here. Didn't really work out in my favor. Alright, let's see what I get. Give me either Tracer or Illidan. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got something. I think I got Tyrande. There's the base too. Yep. Not sure where Tyrande is from. Maybe World of Warcraft as well, but I don't remember her from World of Warcraft. So maybe something else. Maybe StarCraft or Heroes of the Storm or something like that. Hearthstone maybe. Oh boy, I got that feeling she's not gonna stay on this base because look at her feet. Whoops, I'm off camera a little bit. I don't think she'll fit down there either. Oh, you have to really squeeze it in there. Oh, that's the best I can do it. Will it suffice? Well, you know, it does. Alrighty, well, I don't know what else to say. I mean, it looks like her head can come off, because look at the gap right here. I think it's just part of the, I'm off camera again, I'm sorry. Right here. Looks like a gap like you could pull her brains out or something, but... well, there you go. I'll have to look her up and see where she's from. I only know just a few Blizzard titles. Maybe she's from Diablo as well. Don't know. Let's see, is there any Diablo characters? Maybe Barbarian? I don't know. I only played Diablo 3 like just a little bit on the PS3, so... oh well, I'm gonna call it good here. So I pulled Tyrande for a figure, and that is going to do it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later, and like I always say, take care.